Hello everybody, welcome back to the craft room here at Scallion Hill with Tanya. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. It is, I have to say, a rather grey morning in Northern Ireland. I can barely see the mountain for the mist, but it is what it is. It's a jolly good day for crafting. So I am in the process of making and sorting my cards out. I have a ton of cards. Look, do you see that? Ton of cards all ready to go. Some of them better than others, I have to say, but these are all going off to a craft fair. Our eldest boy is running a craft stall, and I think it's the first time he's done this, and of course we want to support him as much as we can, or hinder him. I'm not sure which, but we're blessed, you know. We're a very talented family. Truly, they love their arts and crafts, and you know, the youngest boy, he had started up his own business just a little while ago, and he makes all sorts of things for it. And the eldest one has started up his business further back, and he does exactly the same. Oh, they're incredible. We're so proud of them. So proud of all of our kids. Every single one of them. But we'll not go down that road, or I'll be here for an hour and a half still talking about them, and I'll have achieved absolutely nothing. Right. Let's get on. This card, if I stop waffling for 5 minutes, this card is literally a 5-minute make. But knowing me, it will take half an hour by the time I finish talking. So it is genuinely an easy card for any stage. Whether you're literally new to card making, you can make this in a blink of an eye, an absolute heartbeat. So let me show you what you need. If you want to craft along for this one, you can. And I'll try to stay on topic, okay? Now, I made this with an Altenew Daisies 3D folder. Any folder, any 3D or ordinary folder. The 3D does give you a little bit of an oomph, so I would tend to try and use a 3D for this one. I have, the one I used for this card was, it's not even stuck together, but you know what I mean, was Daisy's 3D. I also have one here that I'm dying to try, which is Sunflower Bundle 3D. Let me see, that one there would just be, let me see how that might look. Let's see. Yeah, that would be stunning. Oh, I'm going to have a go at this one for this particular little card. I'm going to have a go at this one. Right. I think. Will I? That's right on the edge. I'm a bit nervous that I'm going to get I'll get the corner in that. Let's move it over a bit and see. Do you know what? There's one way to find out. Let's cut it, because we can always make this one if it doesn't work. Right, so what you need is your 3D folder. You can do anything. You can do a butterfly, anything. It doesn't have to be a flower. Absolutely anything. A big bee, whatever you want. Go with it. So we're going to do a flower, and then I've cut my panel first, as you can see, okay? But I'll do this with you. We're going to then cut a piece of card with a stitch die. This is a dot and stitch, and we're going to use the nesting die, one set up or one jump up, to cut the white cardstock the same as our actual card. Now I'm using a 5 1/4 square card. It doesn't really matter what these measure. It's entirely up to you. Entirely up to you. But let's have a go and make it together. Are we ready? Okay. Now I'm going to do this literally from scratch for you. So let me see. What do I have here? Where is my base? There we go. Let's see. Can I cut a panel out of that? No, you can't. Would that work? No, I don't think it would. Let me see now. I need a bigger piece, and I don't want to use... What else have I got in here? Have I got any? Oh, perfect. There's an offcut. Right. So use the cardstock, obviously, that you're using for your card base. Use the same cardstock for all of this, apart from your hint of colour. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and make some room in this craft room so that we can actually do this. Let me bring the big shot a little closer. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my little piece that I'm going to emboss, and I'm cutting it first. Now, there is a trick you can do. The reason I'm way ahead of myself as usual, the reason I'm cutting this first is because it's the simplest way to get it embossed and not lose any of the impression that we're making by putting it through again to cut it. It's as simple as that. Now, which bit? That's the... Right, so that is that the deboss? Yeah, it is. Right, so I'm just going to spritz my card. So it's spritz, spritz, waft, waft. Spritz, spritz, waft, waft. Let me do that off camera so I don't soak the place. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Now, let me see. Where was I placing this? About there. Let me just make sure that's square. Perfect. Now, oh, that's so pretty. The sandwich for this with the Sizzix Big Shot and your Altenew 3D is your base platform, your adapter plate, your sandwich bundle, whatever you like to call it, 3D folder and cardstock, and then your top plate. And I run it through at least twice. There we go. That should be, and it comes out and it's just magical. Absolutely. Let me put the whole thing back together because I'll forget and then wonder why it's not working. Okay, let's get this out and see the magic. Are you ready? Oh, I think, oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look, isn't that simply divine? And there's not a crack or a crease. I am delighted with that. Right, let's put these out of my way because, like I said, it's rather cramped in here at the minute. I need to do a major tidy up in this room. Right, now that's our little embossing bit done. Next, let's take our 2 dies. Right, now I'm going to cut this one. I'm going to cut out of coloured card, and I have this gorgeous deep blue which I love. Now this is all Stampin' Up paper. I haven't a clue what shade it is, but literally I've been making them. Look, any colour will do. Look, this, well, it would if I cut the right sized square, wouldn't it? I didn't. I've put it away. I've cut the wrong blooming square, haven't I? Oh my goodness. Right. Craft a long pause. Bear with me a second. And I'm back and I've caught up and I've recut my little embossing plate the right size this time. So as you can see, it really does work with pretty much any colour you want to use. I'm not so sure about pink. I'm not loving the pink. There's a different colour of blue, which I do love. Isn't that gorgeous? Brown, yellow, deep, deep honey, mustardy yellow would work beautifully with this. Right, okay, so I wonder, have I got any nice, would I see? Hold on a second. Oh my giddy aunt. Oh. Here we go. Let's have a look and see. Ooh, that's a nice colour. Wonder, that's a Sizzix one. Do you see? Look, wouldn't that look fab? What do you think? Yes, I like that. Let's cut a little slither of that. Right. You're probably way ahead of me already. Now, let's see. I am doing it this size, so I only need a little piece. I think I cut it there. might put you all over the road. There we go. And make sure I've got the right one this time and pop it in. Simple as that. That's a gorgeous colour. There we go. Now, let's see. Oh, look at that. Isn't that too pretty? I think that's beautiful. What way up is it? That way. Look. Yes, I like that a lot. Right, now we need to cut our bigger piece out of our initial white cardstock. So off we go and do that. Are we ready? There we go. Come on, in you go. In you go. Sus. Whoa. Now, did you cut this time? There you go. Good job. Right, let's put you over there and see how that looks. Oh, I think that's glorious. Look, isn't that so pretty? What's not to love? Look at it. Such a simple and easy little card to make. Now, let's get it put together. Look at this. Oh, would you look at the glue. Look at that. It's covered in paint. This is my granddaughter in the craft room alone. Not a good idea. She's a sweetheart. Oh, I'm covered in stuff. She's an absolute sweetheart, and I love that she loves crafting so much. Right, come on, Tanya. Less talking. Everybody's going to be way ahead of you, and you're still going to be rabbiting on. She has been studying World War II in school, and they've been doing all about evacuees, and she made a gas mask, and she wanted to make a box for her gas mask. And you can guess what colour the box is, can't you? Because it is literally everywhere in this craft room. Absolutely everywhere. Here we go. Now, what way up are you? This way. Right, so let's place this on our little card. Centre it, which I'm making an absolute holics of. Come on. There, I think that's you, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. I'm pretty sure that. Isn't that gorgeous? No, oh no, I just put a big lump of glue on it. Hold on. Oh no. Hopefully that's it cleaned up. Let's see. A little shiny bit there. That's it. That's it. Saved the day. Well done. Make sure there's none on the hands. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place this little frame onto the white cardstock. Now you could use foam tape, but let me see, what do we think? Do we think that would set it off a little bit more, or would be better lifting the whole thing? I'm not sure. I think there's something really pretty about the simplicity in this little card, so I'm just going to try it as is for the minute. And then we'll go from there. You ready? So make sure it's the right way up, Tanya. This way. Yeah, that's it. And again, make sure you're happy that it's centered. Nothing worse than something being off square. It drives me nuts when I put a whole card together and then realize that I have it off center. Now you can measure it if you're not sure. Obviously I've been making these for a while now, and I'm pretty confident that I've got that right. Again, I think there's something really beautiful about that just simply sitting on the card. I don't think we need anything more. Do you? And then just add your sentiment along the bottom. So let me take a bit of wonder. I'm trying to... Right, let's put it on a bit of foam tape to see how it looks. Because it's not the end of the world, is it? If it's so simple to do, we can always redo it if we don't think it works with the foam tape. Let's see now. Oops. Come off. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Now, where's my glue stick? Oh, cheapest. Little avalanche. Right, here we go. My Pritt stick's all gone because I've been doing a bit of journaling with Amelia Rose over the weekend. Well, Saturday. We were at a fantastic barbecue yesterday to raise money for Marie Curie, which is, look at that. I'm not going to put a sentiment on the front of this. I'm going to place this absolutely central on the card. I'm going to put my sentiment inside because I think it would spoil it. And that's the truth. I love it. Absolutely love it. Now, where's the other little one? Let me see. There's a card base. Here we go. Little card base. Where's the other one? There's the blue. No, that's not the blue. There it is. There it is. There it is. There we go. Right way up. There. Aren't they gorgeous? So simple. Where are we time-wise? 17 minutes. I told you I would take nearly half an hour to make a 5-minute card. And it is a 5-minute make. But I really hope you've enjoyed this. Do give it a go. It is so easy to do. So simple. And yet to me, they're truly, really effective. I think they jump off the page at you. I love them. Absolutely love them. I'm going to make a third one and then there'll be a little triptych. I have some beautiful peonies here and I'm thinking this one up here in this top corner will look stunning, won't it? It'll look absolutely stunning. And then I have a set of 3. Wouldn't that be pretty? Oh, I do love this. Okay, very simple, very, very easy little card. I do hope you've liked it. I'm going to find a stamp and just do a little, either a leaf or maybe actually I might die cut a little leaf and emboss it and just pop it in there. And I think that's all you need. There you go. Perfect. Leave them blank. You don't even have to put anything in it. You can just write your message. It's up to you. Or you can stamp it when you need to. But very, very pretty, very effective, simple make. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please remember to give me the thumbs up. It helps my algorithm on YouTube, which is supposed to be a good thing. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Please do subscribe. That way you'll not miss any more videos that are up and coming. Again, it does wonders. Well, I don't know what it does. I'm assuming it does wonders for your algorithm. And finally, what was the other thing I wanted to say? I can't remember. It's gone. It's away. It was about algorithms too. But if there's anything you would like me to make or anything you would like some assistance with, don't hesitate to leave a message in the comments section or go on to Facebook to the Scallion Hill Crafting Community Group and let me know, and I'll be only to help. I can nearly speak this morning. I'll be delighted to help. Okay, that's it. I'm going to go and let you get on with your day. Please enjoy it wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into the channel again. and take care. Happy crafting. Have a good one. Bye-bye now.